Good morning students, welcome to online teaching eSuvidya. In previous class, we came to know about the cause of air pollution. Do you remember what are the cause? Yes, one is industrialization, another is automobiles. So both are responsible for air pollution. And in subsequent stages they lead to other problems, and today we will know about the effect of air pollution. Effect of air pollution. What are the adverse effects of air pollution in different field? Then let's read the paragraph 8 and 9 and know about what are the effects of air pollution. The damage caused by air pollution is enormous. In money alone, it represents a loss of billions of dollars each year. Many flowers and vegetable crops suffer ill effects from car exhaust. Trees have been killed by pollution from power plants. Cattle have been poisoned by the fumes from smelters and recover aluminium from ore. Air pollution causes rubber tires of automobiles to crack and become porous. Fine buildings become shabby, their walls blacken with soot that has settled on them. Building surface may actually deteriorate because of air pollution. But the high cost of air pollution is most strikingly illustrated in its damaging effects on the human body. Air pollution causes eye irritation, scratchy throats, and respiratory illness. It also contributes to a number of serious diseases. In both the United States and Europe, periods of high levels of air pollution were linked to an increased number of deaths. So children, in these two paragraphs, it is clearly stated what are the damaging effect of air pollution on various plants, animals, buildings, surface, walls, and human body also. So the damage caused by pollution is enormous. It is multifarious, of many kinds and plenty. It has no single effect. Its effect is very long reaching. So the damage is very enormous. In money alone, it represents loss of billions of dollars each year. If we will calculate the cost of air pollution in terms of money, we cannot imagine, we cannot calculate, and it will cost billions of dollars each year. And in other terms, if you will see, what are the field, what are the sphere that are affected by air pollution? Flowers and vegetable crops suffer ill effect from car exhaust. Flowers and vegetables, they are affected, adversely affected by car exhaust. Car exhaust, we know carbon monoxide, and they adversely affect the vegetables and plants. Trees have been killed by pollution from power plants, and trees are affected by power plants. That means the smokes coming out of industries, mines. Then cattle have been poisoned by the fumes from smelters. Smelters is furnace. Cattles. So cattle, they are being affected by the fumes fumes, by the flames, by the smokes from smelter, and recover aluminium from ore. So aluminium ore industries and their chimneys, or when we use the things for getting steam in industries, the fuels we use, they give rise to smoke, and that smoke poisons the cattle. Then air pollution causes rubber tires on automobiles to crack and become porous. Tires, they become porous and crack by air pollution, by polluted air. Fine buildings become shabby. So buildings, we know our world famous monument Taj Mahal, it is also losing its color, brightness every day. Why? Due to this polluted air. So buildings become shabby. Their condition is becoming deteriorate day by day. Their walls blackened with soot that has settled on them, and the walls of the building, they are being blackened, their color is being blackened. The white color in due course, in course of time, is becoming black. Why? That is due to air pollution and the soot that has settled on them. Soot. Blacky carbon. So in air, polluted air, there is the percentage of carbon increasing, and due to that the walls are also becoming blackened. Building surface may actually deteriorate because of air pollution, and the surface, the floor of the buildings, that is also deteriorating. Decrease or lower, quality becoming reduced, so deteriorating by air pollution. But the high cost of air pollution is most strikingly illustrated in its damaging effect on the human body. So human body is not free from the clutch of air pollution, and the effect of air pollution is most serious on human body. It causes eye irritation, scratchy throats and respiratory illness. तुमे जिते पदा को जाइथिबो आगरु तुमको कहिछि जेते तुमे फेर देखियो तुमर आखि कुंडेई हुए, गला खसखस लागे, नाकरु तुमर ब्लैकिश कलर रो पानी बाहरे. व्हाई? ऑल दीज आर ड्यू टू polluted air, smoke which is in air, and scratchy throats and respiratory illness. So as we breathe in air through respiratory system, so respiratory illness and some serious disease like cancer, asthma and fever, so many types of serious diseases are also marked due to polluted air. In both the United States of Europe, periods of high levels of air pollution were linked to an increased number of deaths. So in United States and Europe, it is calculated that when the pollution level is high, the death rate is also high. That means when there is increase in pollution, there is increase in death rate. So death and pollution, those are positively related. When a pollution increases, death rate increases. If pollution will be controlled, then death rate will decrease. So in these two paragraphs, we came to know about the effect of air pollution on plants, animals, human being. In every sphere, the effect of air pollution is marked. So we must be very careful regarding the polluted air, and we should keep in safeguard to our respiratory system. So this is all for today, and in next class we will continue our lesson. Thank you.